What's up guys and welcome back to the channel. What a week we're having. The AI boom is in full flow again. Nebius Group is up nearly 30% today after an earnings beat. CoreWeave stock has jumped 25%. And Nvidia is pushing back towards its all-time high. AI related stocks are flying at the moment, and in today's video I have a brand new AI company that is about to go public very soon. In today's video, I'll be looking at Mbody AI. This company is about to go public through a merger with CheckCap Limited, Nasdaq ticker MBAI. This is a tiny microcap stock that counts some leading Fortune 500 operators among its customers. This stock is getting a lot of attention on social media right now, but it's still largely flying under the radar. Now we've got a lot to get through in this video, so I will try to keep this intro short, but if you find any value in this, can I ask you to smash the like button? It takes a lot of time to make these videos, but it literally takes 2 seconds and costs nothing to smash the like button, and it helps the channel out so much. I'm aiming to get 500 likes on this video. Help me hit that goal. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on any new content like this. I want to point out that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so always do your own due diligence. Now let's get into it. First of all, what is Mbody AI? Mbody is an artificial intelligence company building the autonomous workforce of the future. Its proprietary, hardware-agnostic Mbody AI orchestrator platform delivers real-time data intelligence and AI-driven performance insights for robotic fleets, with capabilities spanning deployment optimization, predictive maintenance, and full fleet coordination. One of the biggest problems in robotics is that different robots don't talk to each other. Mbody's tech is hardware agnostic. Think of this as Windows or Android but for robots. Whether it's an autonomous cart in a hospital or a robotic arm in a factory, Mbody AI's platform manages the entire fleet through one AI layer. They are serving Fortune 500 enterprises and blue-chip customers across multiple industries such as hospitality, office spaces, warehouses, and healthcare. Their AI enables organizations to deploy, manage, and scale autonomous robotic workforces through a single intelligent platform by combining advanced AI orchestration with real-time operational intelligence. Mbody AI transforms disconnected robotic systems into a coordinated, high-performing, autonomous workforce that increases efficiency and reduces costs. Mbody is aiming to be the brains behind the robots, and at the heart of the platform sits the Mbody orchestrator. The orchestrator connects multiple AI models, databases, and automation tools into a single intelligent ecosystem. But I'll talk more about that later because Mbody have been announcing a lot of big news and partnerships recently. But first, Mbody is going to go public through a merger with CapCheck Limited. Now the ticker symbol on Nasdaq is already MBAI. This was previously CHEK, but the companies are finally nearing the merger date, which is expected very soon. I'll talk about that later too. The transaction received overwhelming shareholder support with over 98% approval at the annual shareholders meeting. We are literally onto the final step of this merger. But this is a huge market opportunity. As it says here, Morgan Stanley projects the embodied AI market to reach $40 trillion by 2050. Now this company has had loads of great news in the past month. In July, Mbody announced that they entered into a new referral and channel partner agreement with Buyer's Edge platform. Buyer's Edge is a leading digital procurement network and solutions partner for the food services industry. The partnership positions Mbody AI's orchestrator as Buyer's Edge platform's physical AI and robotics provider, giving Mbody access to approximately 286,000 operator locations across food services and hospitality markets. Mbody's hardware-agnostic platform enables deployment of robots into broad robotic categories, which may include cleaning, automation, logistics, and other groups. Demand will be driven by operator needs identified through Buyer Edge, sales network, and data insights. Under the agreement, Buyer's Edge platform will serve as a referral and channel partner, introducing the Mbody AI orchestrator platform and robotics managed services to its extensive operator network beginning July 2026. So this has already begun, and news like this is already having a big impact on the stock price. Shortly after this announcement, the stock started to move upwards. and Mbody AI stock is up about 20% since this announcement. Just a few days after that announcement, Mbody added multi-robot fleet control to its orchestrator software platform, and this is important. The new capability allows the orchestrator to monitor and direct mixed brand robotic fleets that previously required separate vendor-specific systems. Mbody AI plans to roll out control capabilities to existing customers as a simple software update. Now you might be wondering, why is this important? But it's quite simple. Traditional robotic platforms are limited to a single hardware ecosystem, but the orchestrator allows enterprises to manage mixed brand robotic fleets from one centralized interface. It delivers real-time visibility into fleet performance, task execution, operational status, and workflow optimization. With the new multi-robot control capabilities, operators will be able to control diverse fleets at scale without being tied to individual hardware vendors. Mbody CEO John Fowler stated that our customers can already use the orchestrator to see across robots from multiple manufacturers, but adding control is the next step. This one platform can monitor and manage a multi-brand fleet, letting operators pick the best robot for each job instead of being tied to one hardware manufacturer. As I said, the reason that this matters is very simple. Imagine a large hotel or a hospital or a data center with dozens of robots operating across the facility. You might have cleaning robots, delivery robots, security robots from all different manufacturers. The problem is that each robot can come with its own software and its own control system, meaning that staff potentially are wasting time trying to manage multiple platforms just to keep everything running smoothly. However, a platform like Mbody's orchestrator can bring different manufacturers together under one system, allowing operators to monitor and control the entire fleet from a centralized platform. The benefits are incredibly simple and straightforward: less software fragmentation, simpler management, less time wasted. And as these robotic fleets become larger and more diverse, having one system capable of coordinating all of them could become increasingly valuable. And we're not talking about small markets here. The autonomous delivery robots market is currently valued at around $3.4 billion, but it's expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 35%, reaching $11.6 billion by 2030. And that's just delivery robots. That's just one small segment of the entire market. The overall global robot market size is expected to be worth about $233 billion by 2034. Right now, it's worth about 60, so this is massive growth coming over the next few years. And the robotics technology market is expected to be even twice this at over $400 billion by 2035. But Mbody have probably had their biggest news so far in the past few days. Mbody AI is expanding and has secured exclusive US distribution rights for outdoor cleaning robots in gaming and large hotels and resorts in 6 states, including Nevada, Arizona, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, California, and Connecticut, through an agreement with a leading autonomous cleaning robot manufacturer. The move multiplies the range of services Mbody AI can automate for the properties it already serves and opens a new outdoor automation market. Their first outdoor cleaning solution is designed to combine multiple robot types from multiple brands working together through the orchestrator platform to complete work that a single robot type could not do on its own. And they expect this to be the foundation for a broader outdoor automation roadmap managed through the orchestrator. These may include lawn and golf course mowing, parking lot cleaning and line stripping, security monitoring, or garbage collection. There really is so many use cases for this. But most importantly, first and foremost, the thing we care about most right now is the merger date. And CapCheck have just set an 8-week target projecting completion of the Mbody AI merger in the third quarter of 2026. All the heavy lifting here is already completed. The deal has shareholder approval from both companies. They have filed all the relevant filings. Nasdaq completed its initial review earlier this year. The company has completed the reverse split. All we are waiting on now is final approval. And then the merger should be completed before the end of the quarter. So guys, what do you think? I'd love to hear your thoughts on the future of embodied AI and autonomous workforces. This merger is getting a lot of attention right now, and it could be huge as it draws closer to the date. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and always do your own due diligence. Remember that I'm not a financial advisor, but if you enjoyed this analysis, then please like and comment. Follow me on X, and I'll catch you in the next video.